Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove or uninstall Windows Hello on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and type in Optional. Best result should come back with Manage Optional Features. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath optional features, you want to go down on this page where it says search added features and type in Windows Hello. Best match should come back with Windows Hello. Base, go ahead and select that and then select remove and then give that a moment to uninstall. You will need to restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.